Today, a judge in El Paso County sentenced a funeral home owner to decades in prison. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Alexandra Lewis.
And I'm Kyle Clark. Jon Hallford pleaded guilty after investigators found hundreds of improperly stored remains.
Plead sentenced Jon Hallford to 40 years in prison. The courtroom was filled with victims' families, who many of them were shaking their heads and even crying when the judge handed down this sentence, which was just short of the 50-year maximum many of them had asked for. An El Paso County courtroom packed. Victims came to ask a judge to sentence the man they once trusted with their loved ones to the maximum time he could get in prison.
Slightly disappointed that the judge didn't give 50 years.
Could even be at 50 years. I feel like it should be more, so.
Return to Nature Funeral Home co-owner Jon Hallford pleaded guilty to 191 counts of abuse of a corpse after investigators found that many bodies improperly stored at his facility in Penrose. Today, a judge sentenced him to 40 years in prison.
I took it upon myself to make sure that I show up to every sentencing to try to get the most or the maximum sentence possible. I traveled from Maui, Hawaii, about 3,000 miles away.
Derek Johnson, Samantha, Nuranho, and many others delivered emotional impact statements. Many described lasting trauma and calling the Hallfords' actions unforgivable.
Well, one of the biggest things I tried to get across in my statement to the judge was that this is not ordinary grief. This isn't ordinary trauma.
These people didn't respect the dead.
We heard directly from Hallford, who apologized repeatedly. He said he felt remorse and told the judge he regretted his actions. Hallford has already been sentenced to 20 years in federal prison for fraud connected to the same scheme. The state court's 40-year sentence will run concurrent to that federal time.
I thought of leaving the courtroom and vomiting. I felt like the judge even minced his own words while he acknowledged that there is over 1,000 victims. He felt like taking the sentence down from the maximum.
Before handing down the sentence, the judge recognized not only the 191 identified victims, but also nearly 1,000 other unidentified individuals and their families still without answers.
I appreciate him acknowledging all the victims, because all 1,798 victims matter.